kids, this is Kitcan School and I am your Montessori class teacher. Today we are going to do this activity named Identifying Numerals 11 to 19 related to mathematical exercises, and it belongs to International Montessori Education System. We recommend this activity to pre-classes students. The benefits of this activity is to learn to identify numerals from 11 to 19. Now I am going to start this activity. 10. 10 and 1 makes 11. 10 and 2 makes 12. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 4 makes 14. 10 and 5 makes 15. 10 and 6 makes 16. 10 and 7 makes 17. 10 and 8 makes 18. 10 and 9 makes 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Thank you for watching and listening this video.